The groundbreaking concept vehicle's name not only refers to its close partnership in the development of the show car with the AVTR team, but it also stands for advanced vehicle transformation. This Mercedes-Benz concept car exemplifies the company's designers, engineers, and trend researchers' aspirations for how people will travel in the far reaches of the future. Welcome to Luxurious Dreams. Today, we will discuss the Mercedes AVTR concept car. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. In November, Mercedes and the producers of AVTR, 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗏 welcomed a few journalists to the studio in 𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗏, California, where the creative power behind AVTR, James Cameron, has set up his shop. The event took place during the month of November. There, in the midst of stunning props from Cameron's past films, such as the Terminator flicks, Aliens, and Titanic, we watched a few snippets from the next film and got a trip in the Vision AVTR concept vehicle. Let us begin by stating that James Cameron is about as safe a bet as one can make in the film industry and that the snippets that were presented look pretty decent. The connection between Mercedes-Benz and a movie that takes place in a made-up universe inhabited by blue giants that spend most of their time in the water appears to be more than a little flimsy. During a teleconference, one of the movie's producers, Jon Landau, shared his insight, saying, "You respond to your environment. As you travel across the world of AVTR, you will notice that things are always changing. You're connected to everything around you, and you react to it. The bioluminescence, when touched, causes a reaction in the surrounding environment. And the automobile has the same effect on the surrounding environment. See? There is a link between the two. The Vision AVTR certainly has a futuristic appearance. It is a future in which side impact door beams and seatbelts are reportedly no longer necessary. Even the tires have accent lighting, small flaps in the bodywork open close like gills, and there is not much of a requirement for cargo capacity. Even the tires have accent lighting. Extremely confident, and completely without emissions. The Vision AVTR is a nimble luxury sedan with 4 high-performance, near-wheel-built electric motors. The Vision AVTR sets EQ power standards with over 350 kilowatts of engine power. The clever and fully variable torque distribution manages the power of the 4 totally individually adjustable motors for optimal driving dynamics and efficiency. The revolutionary all-wheel drive with torque vectoring offers unprecedented freedoms and top-notch driving dynamics and active safety. Each wheel can be driven separately depending on the driving situation. Unlike traditional vehicles, the Vision AVTR may travel sideways by 30 degrees by driving the front and rear axles concurrently or oppositely. The concept vehicle's crab movement makes it look reptile-like. Organic battery technology. The Vision AVTR was developed in tandem with the groundbreaking electric drive that it features. This is made possible by a high-voltage battery that is both extremely powerful and extremely compact. The groundbreaking battery technology is built for the very first time on the organic cell chemistry that is based on graphene, and as a result, it fully eliminates rare earth such as metals that are harmful and expensive. The use of fossil fuels is, therefore, no longer necessary for electromobility. The fact that it is possible to recycle it through composting and that it may be recycled in its whole due to the materiality of the product both represent significant advances. As a consequence of this, Mercedes-Benz emphasizes how highly relevant a future circular economy will be in the field of raw materials. Exceptional fast charging capability. In addition to its considerably greater energy density compared to today's battery systems with up to 1200 Wh/liter, the technology's extraordinary quick charging capability via automated, conductive charging technology is also impressive. This indicates that the battery will be fully charged in under 15 minutes. The unique technology also permits maximum construction space flexibility. With a local minimum of 94 mm, the battery fits the shared space vehicle concept perfectly, maximizing the multipurpose interior. The Vision AVTR's approximately 110 kWh capacity offers an electric range of about 700 km. By recuperating during rollout and braking, the high-voltage battery can be recharged more efficiently than with conventional systems while driving, contributing to the system's excellent energy efficiency. A masterpiece of efficiency. At Mercedes-Benz, the consideration of efficiency extends far beyond the drive concept, as increasing digitalization places the performance of a large number of so-called secondary consumers, as well as their efficient energy supply, in the spotlight without affecting the drive power of the vehicle itself. The reduction of energy consumption per computing operation is already a primary objective in the design of modern computer chips. The expansion of sensors and artificial intelligence in the automotive sector will continue this trend in the future years. The neuro-inspired design of the Vision AVTR, which includes so-called neuromorphic technology, is expected to reduce the power consumption of sensors, chips, and other components to a few watts. Their energy supply is provided by the stored current of the Vision AVTR's integrated solar panels. The 33 movable in many directions surface pieces serves as bionic flaps. Interior and exterior merge. Mercedes-Benz used a completely new design approach in the creation of the Vision AVTR for the first time. From the first sketch, the holistic concept unites the design disciplines of interior, exterior, and UX. A design process from the inside out begins with a man and human perception. The design approach begins with the passenger's experience and actively focuses on the passenger's perceptions and wants. The goal was to design a vehicle that extends the perception of its occupants. It was also necessary to create an immersive experience space in which passengers could connect with one another, the vehicle, and the surroundings in a unique way. Sustainable materials. The color world of the sea served as inspiration for the color-changing fabric that was used to decorate large sections such as the back shell of the seat and the sky. The hue of the fabric shifts from a deep blue to a more muted pale blue, depending on the light. The use of vegan Dynamica leather lends an air of sophistication to these seats. Dynamica is the first and only microfiber on the market that can ensure the preservation of the natural environment throughout the entirety of the manufacturing process. It is a material that has been recycled and manufactured from used clothing, flags, and bottles made of PET plastic. During the manufacturing process, ensuring low levels of energy consumption and pollutant emissions is a priority. Dynamica is a material that may be utilized in the interiors of expensive automobiles because of its adaptability, maximum performance, and excellent quality. In addition to this, it ensures that passengers will not slide around on the seats. The coziness of the material creates an atmosphere of welcome home for the people living there. Intuitive control. The Vision AVTR already responds to the approach of the passengers by visualizing the flow of energy and information in the surrounding environment using digital neurons that travel from the grille, via the wheels, and to the back region of the vehicle. When a person places their hand on the center console, the interior comes to life, and the vehicle recognizes the driver based on his breathing. This is the first interaction that takes place within the interior between a man and a vehicle, and it is carried out in a manner that is entirely intuitive. This is made visible on the instrument panel and on the user's hand. The Vision AVTR accomplishes this by forming a biometric connection with the driver, which in turn heightens the driver's awareness of his surroundings. The information and energy flow is visualized by the digital neurons as they go from the interior to the exterior of the system. When one is driving, for instance, the neuronal activity travels across the exterior of the vehicle. When making a turn, the energy is transferred to the side of the vehicle that corresponds to the new direction. The vehicle is an immersive experience space. The curved display module, which replaces a standard dashboard, establishes a visual connection between passengers and the outside environment. Real-time 3D graphics display the outside world and surrounding region around the car, as well as what is happening on the road in front of the vehicle. Coupled with energy lines, these real-time, high-definition visuals bring the interior to life and enable passengers to discover and interact with the surroundings in a natural manner while enjoying a variety of views of the exterior. The Huangshan Mountains in China, the 115-meter-tall Hyperion tree in the United States, and the Pink Salt Lake Hillier in Australia are three natural wonders that can be studied in depth. Magnetic fields, bioenergy, and ultraviolet light, which are typically invisible to the human eye, became visible to passengers. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, in the comments section below, let us know which part of the video you liked the most. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to Luxurious Dreams and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.